This video shows you how to connect your Epson printer to a wireless network. In this demonstration, you will be using the printer's buttons to select wireless settings. Before you start, there are a few things you need to check. Do I already have a wireless network? First, make sure you have a network already set up. Your network may include one or more computers, or an internet modem connected to a router. Before making a connection, make sure that your router is wireless. Later, you will see how to add your Epson printer by connecting it to the router. What other information will I need? You'll also need to know your wireless network's name. This is called the SSID. The SSID was entered into your router when it was first set up. What security settings am I using? If you have wireless security turned on, you'll also need to know your network password. If you don't have this information, ask the person who set up your network. Now, let's set up your Epson printer and add it to your network. When you're done, you'll be able to print wirelessly from this computer. You can add the ability to print from another computer later on. Follow the steps on the Start Here sheet. The Start Here sheet shows you how to physically set up your printer. When you get here, install your printer software. Insert the CD that came with your printer. If you do not have a CD-ROM drive, you can download the software from the Epson support site. Click Install. Follow the instructions on the screen to install the software. This can take several minutes. At this screen, select how you want to connect. Since you want to print wirelessly, select Wireless Connection and click Next. Your product may detect your wireless settings and automatically connect to your network. If it doesn't, you will need to manually add your printer to your network. Now, select the option to set up the printer for the first time and click Next. Since you'll be using the printer buttons to connect to your wireless network, choose Using Printer Buttons and click Next. When you get to this step, look at your printer's control panel. Tap the Wi-Fi icon. Then tap Setup on the next screen. Select Wi-Fi Setup, then tap Wi-Fi Setup Wizard. Now you'll choose your wireless network and enter its password. Scroll down if necessary and select the wireless network from the list. Tap the password field and use the on-screen keyboard to enter the network password. Tap the Shift button to enter uppercase letters, or this button to enter numbers or symbols. When you're done entering your password, tap the Return key. Review the network information. Tap Proceed. Then tap OK. The printer will connect to the network. Tap Done to complete wireless setup, or press one of the Start buttons to print the connection report. Your printer is connected to your wireless network. Follow the rest of the instructions on the computer screen to finish installing the software. Then restart your computer. Your Epson product is now ready to print wirelessly. If you want to print from another computer, insert the CD that came with your printer, or run the software you downloaded, and follow the instructions on the computer screen. When you get to this step, select The printer is already on my wireless network. Follow the rest of the instructions on the computer screen to install the software, then restart your computer. You can repeat this process for any additional computers. You are now ready to print wirelessly from your computers.